How to log into your Vimeo account. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to log into your Vimeo account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for Vimeo login. Hit enter and you will see the option to log into your Vimeo account. Click on the first option. And then from here, you will be taken directly to the login portal. You can either continue with your Facebook, your Google account, even with your Apple ID, or what you could just do instead is enter your username or email that's connected to your Vimeo account, and then enter your password. Now, once you have done that, simply click on login with an email. And if your username and password is correct, you should be successfully logged into your account. But in case you've forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password option. Now enter the email that's connected to your account, and they will send you a verification code here so that you can reset your password. And once everything is in place, everything has been entered on your account, you should be able to log in. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.